Good morning, everyone. It's 9 a.m. I started my morning, as usual, catching up on emails. The first hour of my day is usually spent replying to emails. Before we get into the video, I appreciate if you could subscribe to this small channel to help it grow. Thank you. It's a cold, cloudy morning today, and I've already had my first cup of coffee. I posted a video a few months ago about my work day, what I do for work. So this is like an updated version of that. I'll link it in the description. I put together this flowchart to give you a glimpse into my role as Senior Applications Engineer. It's not everything I do, but it gives a good high-level overview of how I support projects end-to-end. Working as an application engineer means wearing many hats. My role is about bridging the gap between technical and business teams, translating clients' needs into actionable technical requirements, and helping bring ideas to life. There's definitely a project management element, which is kind of a big part, but also a lot of hands-on technical work, which keeps things interesting. Having a background in coding definitely helps when you can talk efficiently with developers, write test scripts, and build Power BI dashboards for analysis. So let's go through what a typical project lifecycle looks like for me phase by phase. The pre-sales phase is where we start with pre-sales technical engagement. Once our sales team have discussed business terms with a potential client, I join the conversation to handle the technical aspects. We discuss about integrations, APIs, custom features that align with the client's system. I also assist with live product demos, proof of concept sessions, and sometimes even architectural recommendation, making sure our solution is both feasible and scalable. Next is defining requirements. So once the opportunity moves forward and we have sorted the pre-sales phase, we begin defining requirements. This means gathering clients' input, translating them into use cases, workflows, and data flow diagram, and performing gap analysis to ensure no details are missed. I use tools like Power Query, Excel, APIs, Figma to create mockups and visualize processes. The end result is a detailed requirement document that aligns both business and technical teams before development begins. Next, we move into development phase. All requirements are added into Azure, broken down into features and epics. I collaborate closely with the development team to clarify user stories, remove blockers, and ensure each sprint stays on track. Although we have the project managers who will be managing those sprints, this is just to make sure we are on time scales and we satisfy our stakeholders, as this is agile development. During this time, I might also assist with API testing, data validation, or even quick prototypes to support the dev team. Testing and quality assurance. After development, the product is released to our test environment, which we call UAT, User Acceptance Testing Environment. This is where we conduct extensive testing, log any bugs or discrepancies, and collaborate with the developers for fixes. I also create technical materials, demo videos, and knowledge base articles to help internal teams understand how everything works. Next is stakeholder reviews and demos. Because we follow an agile methodology, stakeholders review happens at the end of every sprint, which can be anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks. I present completed features, gather feedback, and if necessary, update the project manager about the backlog for further iterations. This ensures transparency, continuous improvement throughout the project. As the product nears completion, I prepare technical documents for sales, marketing, and support teams. I also conduct internal training sessions to make sure everyone understands the new product as per the process, from technical functionality to sales. Mainly the use cases and how the product can benefit the business. Product launch and post-sales support phase. This is where once the product goes live, we help train the tech support team and assist with advanced API or integration queries that goes beyond the first line support. I also partner with the marketing team to ensure product launches highlights the right features and value points. Even after launch, my role doesn't stop. I continue to gather feedbacks, perform data analysis, and collaborate on continuous improvement to make the product even better over time. Continuous improvement, this phase is all about learning and optimizing. The products are analyzed based on the performance. We track client feedbacks and collaborate with developers to plan updates or enhancements. I also get feedbacks about how the product is doing. Is there any bugs? I also get involved in Power BI reporting, performance check, and API testing to ensure our integration remain robust. Now it's important to note this flowchart and breakdown represents just a summary of what we do, what I do especially. Now it's important to note that this flowchart is very high level and it shows a summary of what I do. The reality is the role is extremely dynamic. No 2 days are same, and some days it goes deeply technical and involves a lot of testing. Other days it's running stakeholders review, troubleshooting, planning new feature roadmaps. As a senior applications engineer, my role constantly evolves with each project. That's what keeps it exciting. The opportunity to learn something new every day, work with diverse teams, and see real results come to life. Hope you all enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.